What's inside? Open the door, open wide. E is for apple, shiny and red, happy and round, just like you said. B is for ball, bouncing around, rolling and jumping on the ground. C is for cat, fluffy and cute, soft little paws and furry suit. D is for dog, playful and fast, running and jumping, having a blast. E is for egg, smooth and small, careful, careful, don't let it fall. F is for fish, swimming slow, wiggle, wiggle, go, go, go. G is for gift, bright surprise, shiny colors, happy eyes. H is for hat, on your head, blue or yellow, green or red. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet, yummy, yummy, tasty treat. J is for juice, fresh and nice, sip, 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 cold as ice. K is for kite, up in the sky, floating lightly, flying high. L is for lollipop, colorful and round, sweet and happy, joy we found. M is for milk, fresh and white, healthy, happy, pure delight. N is for nest, cozy and small, little home so safe for all. O is for orange, juicy and round, rolling, rolling on the ground. P is for plane, flying high, zooming softly through the sky. Q is for queen with golden crown, shiny jewels and royal gown. R is for robot, beep, 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 dancing, moving step by step. S is for sun, warm and bright, shining, glowing, golden light. T is for train, chug, 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 moving, moving, tug by tug. U is for umbrella in the rain, drip, drop, drip, splashy lane. V is for van, driving slow, wheels go round, watch it go. W is for watermelon, big and sweet, juicy, happy summer treat. X is for sonophone, ding, 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 colorful notes that love to sing. Y is for yellow chick, soft and sweet, tiny wings and little feet. Peep, 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 say hello, bounce and wiggle, nice and slow. Z is for zebra, black and white, running fast with pure delight. Knock, 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 what's inside? Open the door,